What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today what I'm doing is doing the brakes in my car. Right now I'm in class, if you can hear the guy talking. I got some nice little brake pads. Hold on 1 second. So I got some rotors. I got 2 new rotors for my back. I didn't realize actually how big these things were. But got some rotors. I got some ceramic brake pads. I don't know what kind. I just bought. I think I just bought them from off America Muscle. They seem to last pretty good. I have them on my car right now, but the only reason I'm doing the brakes and rotors is not because my brakes are bad. It's the rotors are actually bad. When I brake, I get a whoa, 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 like it shakes the car to the point where you look in the rearview mirror and you're like, it looks like the world's gonna have an earthquake. So let's go start getting that jacked up and get to work on it. Ow, 2 wheels off. As you can see, these rotors are terrible. Like that's just, oh, if it wasn't for this. That should be smooth, or at least you. Okay. All right. Let's go with a 13. It's probably 14 actually. Yeah, 14. She is. There we go. 1. All right. Alright, calipers off. Brakes, yeah, see the brake pads are good, but as you can see they're unevenly weared from all this shit going on here. We gotta take you off though. You're gonna be a fun thing to take off, aren't you? Let's see, okay, no, I really don't. 1, 2, you're tight. Alright. So hey, Mr. Spring, you look good. Yeah, you do look good. Body's all still together. Good to hear. All right. Man, that's under tight. There we go. All right, that one turned. I'm actually gonna get you to turn. Yeah, that's right, like this. Okay. There we go. And there she goes. Alright, so finally got this thing off. This thing is hell to put on. I mean, off. On, it's not gonna be fun either, but either way, it's not fun. It's tight as hell. Alright, and after that, you should just slide off, right? Technically. Alright, let's try this. Oh, yep. Okay. Okay, dokie. Oh. Okay. That is bad. That's a gash. Wow. Well, by comparison, that's what it should look like. That's the backside, and that's what it should look like. I should have that service, not. Wow, that's a gash in it though. Like that's a good gash in it. New rotor on. Alright, so I got these all cleaned up. I got some Loctite from when I did the jet ski engine. A little Loctite on here. Now we're gonna put this through here. Ow, that hurt. Alright, let's get you on now. Take these clips off. Let's get the new ones on. I should have probably took this off when I had it off, but it's okay. It doesn't make a difference. Okay. Need a brake tool. There we go. I always hate doing this, so it's a pain in the ass. Now you want to make sure since I have new rotors and new brakes, I'm gonna just put this thing all the way down as much as I can because there's gonna be no playroom really. All right, so guys, if I'm running with this tool here, most all cars they have. Okay, all right, so guys, if I'm running with this tool here, this is an emergency brake tool for the rear brakes. It's because the rear brake, the way it's set up, it has the emergency brake, which twists this thing, so you can't just push it in like a front rotor, or like you just take a clamp and you push it in. This one you have to screw it back in. So you need this tool here, or if you want to get creative, pliers or things like that. But trust me, this tool is very helpful. Unless you have BMW, then it's hell. But for most cars, this works pretty damn good. Like I said, all you do is you put it right here, and you just twist it. You just twist it and just twist it right on there. All right, so we got brake pads, and then we got our clips. So you got the right one here now. All you do is take it like this. Make sure it's lined up a little bit good enough. And just clip. They just clip right on in. They clip right in like that. Oh. Rotor, get out of my way. Yeah. Okay, I'll show you guys the top. I'll show you the top one. Alright. So you take it like this. Oh. Take it just like this. Put it in like that. Push it right up on in. Oh, try to push it a little over though. I like to at least try and make it even with this surface here. That side's even there. That side's even over there. And just clip them in. And what this does is hold the brake there. It's meant just to hold the brake, secure the brake, so it doesn't move on you while braking, stuff like that. At least I believe. I'm just guessing at that one, but I'm gonna assume that's what these things do. All right, then you take these. When you do this, look at the roundness. If you didn't look at the brakes before, they only realistically go in one way. Well, mark that, you can put them in backwards, but I think most people won't do that, but my neighbor have seen someone do it. All right, guys, so brakes are in now. They're nice and meaty now. They're on, that's on. One important thing here is going to be this stuff here, 100%, and okay, there it is. So they really didn't make a peel for you. What you do with this, let's see, so you look kind of like, actually, you know what? I'm gonna try something new maybe. I'm gonna try, usually what you do, you put it on the brake pad itself, which I may just do for this side here. But realistically, you put it on here, here, hold on. I'll try something new here. What you usually do, you put it on the brake pad itself, but I think I'm gonna try something new here. This should work actually better if you guys wanna try it. Not sure though. What this stuff does just stops it from squealing when you're braking. So it's had that. Sometimes you get after driving for a while, and well, can't say that because you have a squeal from your brakes being bad. There, you have that squeal, and then you also have this squeal where it's like your brakes aren't bad, but they're just the metal contact of this hitting the metal, so metal on metal squealing. So this stuff here just tries to prevent that. I just think putting it maybe on right on here actually might be a little better than just putting it on the brake pad, because the brake pad you can put too much on and you don't really need that much. You only need a little like nice good thick coating on it. like that. Like nice little thick coat. Now for the next step, putting you on. And look at that. That's right up there. All right, let's get you here on. Okay, one side on. And let's go two side on now. There we go. And two side. Alright. Alright guys, so pretty much you just tighten up these bolts and the brake job's done. So I'm not gonna video record the other side, and so I'll just show you guys the end result. Actually, you know what? I'll do that side, and then I'll pick up doing braking, because there's important things to do with brakes is braking period. So I'll explain that later. So let me just finish up the whole brake job, and I'll meet you guys in the car. All right, guys. So we're gonna start doing the brake break-in. Now what we gotta do is I think it's 5 aggressive decelerations from 40 to 10 miles per hour, and then we gotta do 5 moderate, 35 to 5 miles per hour. And then just 5 minutes of just driving around without hitting the brakes, basically, to cool them down. So I got this nice long road up here. Hopefully nobody gets behind me. Just hoping for that. Use the car to brake itself temporarily. Why is that guy pulling over? That's not part of the plan. All right. I guess I'll go straight. Let it cool off for the next 5 minutes. Now, the reason you do that is just to seat the brake. Like, they're new rotors, new brakes, so they should have seamlessly connected. But it's when like you have like old rotors, stuff like that. What you're doing is just you're burning, you're hardening the brake. I think it says on the thing, it says you're hardening the brake pad also, but also the main thing is you're making it flush against the rotor. So like, if there's any like deformities, like so if it's like that, like a little bit off, what you're doing is you're burning it to the point where it's like that now. It's flush, it's flat, and your braking ability is higher now. So that's the whole point of just braking your brakes. You really should probably do it on every brake. Like, it makes sense. Like, I'm not a person that likes to follow protocol a lot of things, but it does make sense to do it just because it's one of those things like, but it makes sense to do it. So, you know, I'll just do it just to, you know, hey, what get hurt? Problem is to do it, you gotta make sure nobody's behind you. Right now I'm good, so. Just gotta drive for 5 minutes. But yeah, alright guys, so that'll be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys found it informative and everything, blah blah. So leave a like on the comment. Leave a like on the comment. You can do that too. Leave a like on the video, comment down below, and then subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.